Alright guys, welcome to my latest unboxing. As I said before, I haven't done a lot of these in a while, so I'm a bit rusty. Hopefully you can still get it open. What do we have here? It is the fantastic, notoriously awesome DJI Mini with the supposedly Fly More combo, and comes with an awesome can't read it's what happens to old people. Alright, so 128 gigabyte SanDisk card, so hopefully that should be good. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching guys, and in the next one I will actually take it out and see what's going on.
Likey.